In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change receiver's name on Remitly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your recipient's name is accurate, which is important because payout partners often verify names against a government-issued ID. Start by opening Remitly in your browser or the Remitly app. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner for your profile area. Click your name or profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a place where you control your account details and saved recipients. Inside Settings, find and open Contacts. This section lists the people you've previously sent money to, sometimes called recipients. Find the contact whose name you want to update. If you have several recipients with similar names, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct one by checking their country or delivery method displayed next to the name. When you've selected the right contact, open their profile and click Edit. You'll now see the editable fields for the recipient. Update the first name carefully, exactly as it appears on the recipient's valid ID. Avoid nicknames or shortened versions and include special characters or accents if they're on the ID. If there's a middle name field and your recipient uses one, add or correct it here. If they don't use a middle name, you can leave that field blank. Then update the last name. Again, match the ID precisely, including suffixes like junior or sir if applicable, and make sure the spelling is perfect. In this same area, you may notice other details for the recipient. It's a good idea to review them for accuracy, but don't change anything unrelated to the name unless you're certain it needs an update, since changes can affect how the transfer is received. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give it a moment to process. After saving, the updated name will be tied to future transfers to this recipient. If you already have a transfer in progress, the change may not apply to that transaction. In that case, you might need to cancel and resend, or reach out to support for guidance based on the delivery partner's rules. That's it. You've successfully updated a receiver's name on Remitly. Take a final moment to double check the saved details before sending money again. Accuracy here helps avoid delays or pickup issues. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more clear step-by-step guides.